I am a member of the Titanic group. I do the questions, and I got interested in the Titanic because it's a boat and it sank and split in half.
My name is Kaylee. I am a member of the Titanic group, and I do some of the questions. I was interested in the Titanic group because not a lot of people survived and some got killed.
My name is Ava, and I got interested in the Titanic Club because my grandmother was on it. My name is Julie, and I'm a photographer of the Titanic Club, and it is a really fun trip.
Chad and I got interested in the Titanic Club when I watched a movie and read a book about it. I researched on a book and I helped out the Titanic Club.
My name is Delilah, and I am a member of the Titanic group. And once I saw the Titanic, I got really interested because people died, and it is very sad and cool because it split in half while it sunk. And I'm part of the Titanic Club. I was interested in the Titanic when my friend, she said that she was going to start this, and I said, okay, I'll join. I was going to join.
We researched the Titanic.
And these are the things we had to do to complete the project.
First we had to read books.
And then we had to think of questions.
Then we got pictures.
And we researched online.
And on the iPads.
We searched on the computers and iPads, and we looked for answers for our questions, and we wrote them down on a piece of paper.
We printed out pictures and we wrote down facts.
And now we're going to put together the movie about the Titanic.
I'm Kaylee.
I'm Emma. We're going to be doing the questions for the Titanic group.
How old is the Titanic?
Where were they going?
How big is the Titanic?
How big was the iceberg?
How many people were on?
Why did they travel?
What ocean were they on?
How much did the Titanic weigh?
What time did they set sail?
How many books were on the Titanic?
How many pets on the
The
ship?
Titanic was 883 feet long. It took almost 2 years to build. The ship was ready on March 31st, 1912.
The Titanic was traveling from Southampton, England, and going to New York City. It was sailing on the North Atlantic Ocean.
Titanic hit a very large iceberg. It scraped the iceberg at about 11:40 p.m. on April 14th, 1912. It sunk about 2 hours and 44 minutes later.
There were 2,200 passengers and the crew aboard the Titanic. A total of 1,517 people died in the destruction. Titanic left for New York City on April 10th, 1912. It sank on April 15th at 2 a.m.
The Titanic was known as the unsinkable ship. You know that the Titanic was almost as long as 3 football fields. You know the Titanic had 4 elevators, a heated swimming pool, a gym, 2 libraries, and 2 barbershops.
Watching our Titanic movie!
Hi, my name is Amy Kennedy. I am an educational technologist for Region 6. I had the pleasure of working with the Titanic Club to help them showcase their efforts in researching the Titanic. Students were meeting during their lunch and recess to develop questions, take notes, collaborate with the other group members. After many days of research, the students were ready to film. I worked with the students to help them develop a theme and mood for the film, to storyboard and do some script writing, discuss the backdrop and some filming techniques, and edit the footage. It is important to mention that this project was completely student-driven and student-centered. They did the research, they wrote the scripts, they filmed the video using the iPad, they took the still photos using the iPad, and they even made editing decisions using iMovie. Great job, Titanic Club.